What's up, everyone? So I am coming off of what is quite possibly one of my favorite videos that I made on this channel to date, which is basically a brain dump of what I know about cryptocurrency. And if you're new to this channel and you watched that video, I need to warn you that there's a lot of other content I've put on this channel, and I'm trying to figure out how to balance this going forward. Whether or not I focus on growth and topics that I think can reach a wide-ranging audience, or continue to create content that also is about what I enjoy. And for the time being, I think I will still do the latter, so it's going to be a little bit weird if you came here for cryptocurrency or investing tips and you're now watching a shoe review. But gotta be done. I have a lot of shoes that are coming in, have come in, will continue to come in, and I gotta knock these out so that I can actually see what's in these boxes. Today, we have a Jordan 1 that I actually got from the sneakers app, which is quite frankly amazing because I haven't done that in seemingly months for me. My wife has won a couple of women's shoes, but I have, for the most part, gotten nothing in a very, very long time. So this is the Rust Patina. The official name on the box is Black Fresh Mint Light Army. And let's have a look. I'll be honest, when I first saw the sneak preview on these, I thought these looked fantastic. And the more that I saw pictures and reviews, the more I started to question whether or not I was really going to like this shoe. And the reason for that is some of the finishing touches just seemed a little bit off to me. So this to me looked like it had some really classic styling, very non-traditional Jordan 1, the type of thing you might wear to a more formal event. Very dark brown, black colors, not kind of in your face like another pair I got here. I'll just show you real quick. These finally came in. I love these. But part of what I didn't like about this shoe when I started to see the reviews, and that in hand I can already kind of tell I'm not liking that much about it, is the color brown on the rust areas, the swoosh, the toe box. It's very glossy. It's very reflective. And I really kind of wanted it to be muted and understated, but it kind of jumps out in your face when light hits it. And the black kind of weathered parts, the rust patina, quote unquote, is kind of artificial. It's like very intentionally doctored to look that way. It doesn't look natural. It looks like an artificial process came in to create it, which obviously it had to, but that kind of defeats the purpose of a patinaed or naturally weathered look. Overall, I think the quality is there. It looks generally to be well constructed. It looks like they used quality materials. These actually look to be much better from a construction point of view than the University Blues that I got. I don't know if you can tell, but if you look at the rear, the University blues are a little bit wavy where the back of the sole meets the heel, suede area. I'll get into these in another review, but sometimes some shoes have quality issues. I would say these don't. These are very nice, nicely constructed. It's all about the colorway and whether or not you like the colorway. And I really liked the black. I liked it from here. I liked the doctored photos I've seen when they first got released where the brown area is more muted and darker, not as reflective. In hand, in person, I'm on the fence about these. I'm not quite sure I want to keep them. The other thing that's very different that takes some getting used to, and if I love the colorway, then I could forgive this, but the tongue area, they switched it up from your traditional Jordan 1 Retro High where you have the Nike Air tag on the tongue. This says Nike Air as a giant square with some mint green stitching all around. Kind of cool, kind of modern, doesn't really fit the Jordan 1 Retro High OG look. And that's a flaw with this shoe to me. I think this with the traditional tag with the mint green would have been a really, really nice touch. I think switching the tag up, I don't understand it. I don't know what this is about. I'm not a big fan of that. The one thing I am a big fan of is these mint green laces. If I choose to keep this shoe, I am putting those mint green laces on. I am rocking this with the mint green. I think that looks really, really fresh. Overall, decent shoe. I think it missed slightly on the execution. I would have gone with the traditional tag. I would have gone with a darker, not as reflective, not as manufactured brown patina. But that said, if you like what you see here, it's a well-constructed shoe. It's still a Jordan 1. I think these will look really good on feet, certainly from distance. I'm being nitpicky about being up close. That's just the way I am. I'm very OCD. I've got way too many shoes. I honestly think I will probably sell these on, but I'm not in a rush. They'll probably sit in a box. I'll wait for the prices to hit a point that I'm comfortable with parting with them at. Otherwise, maybe if I find the perfect outfit, such as this tobacco Stone Island jacket, which I think suits it really well, if I feel like going out, maybe I'll break them out and wear them on feet. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you at the next one.